Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build the famous Flappy Bird game in Scratch, completely from scratch. Don't worry if you are beginner, I will explain every step in a simple way, okay? By the end of this tutorial, you will have a full playable game with gravity, moving pipes, score tracking, and game over screen. So without wasting any time, let's get start the coding part. Okay. So this is our project that you will get. Let me run it. We need to, I'm going to be share the sound as well. So basically, we are going to be start this project today, okay? So this is really very big project. So what I will do, I'm going to be explain you each and every details over here itself, okay? So let's start this project. So for this project, we will require certain things. Let me explain you how many backdrop we will require. As you can see, this is our first backdrop. So what you need to do, you can just simple go to the Google, search for Flappy Bird images. Let me tell you Flappy Bird and just search for background image. Okay, over here, see you have lots of images. You can select any one of them, whatever do you want. For example, I want this one. So you need to just right click here, try to click on save images and just save it. After saving this, you need to come to your project. Over here, as you can see, there is a upload option. You need to click on it. Click on image and open so that you are able to open your image here. Okay. You can click on convert so that if you want, you can try to increase the size. Okay. So in this way, you can try to set your own images. Okay. So like this, we added three images. One is day, one is night, and the third one is impossible. Okay. So total we have a three backdrops. Now let's start our sprite part. So we will first start with pipe. Okay. So as you can see, we have a pipe like this is your pipe to you see the gap. Then we have a pipe, this one, and this one. So you can go with five costumes. Okay. You can design it. If you don't know how to design your scratch sprites, I will attach one link where I explained you everything how to start your design part. Okay. So that you can simple click on this option paint. Okay. You can try to use all these options and try to create this pipe. Okay. After that, let's start the code in pipe because this project is really very big project. Okay. So we will start with once you will receive your start game. Okay. We need to clear your graphic effects in the forever. How to wait for a second. So whatever speed we have, we will divide with 6 and then we will create a clone. Clone means we have to be duplicate because we have only one pipe and we are getting that pipe again and again, right? So for that, we need to duplicate it. And then once you will receive your new game, we need to stop other script, okay? And then we will delete that clone. Like once we will pass it, we need to delete that. And once you will receive the green flag, you have to be hide it. And for clone, what do we want here? When we will start a clone, we need to show that we have to be go to the back layer. We will switch the costume. So total, as you can see, we have a five costumes. Okay. So that's why we are picking this random with 1 to 5. It will go to X and Y value with 240 and 0 because if you know this is your X axis, this is your Y axis. This is your positive X axis. This one is the negative. This one positive y-axis, this one is the negative. So how to decide the value based on where you want it to move? Okay. So as you can see for x, it's a positive. So maybe it will going to be move here. And y is 0, it means you will get the middle position. Okay. Then we need to repeat until if your x position is less than minus 236. So x where you will get minus over here. So it means it will start from here to here. Once it will reach here, then we will change your x by again 0 minus your speed. And then we will try to delete the clone. So these part also you need to add in the pipe. And this is the last one. Once you will start the clone, again we need to wait until if your x position is less than minus 80, we need to change a score by 1. So as you can see, this parts you need to add. So what I will do in the description box or in the comment section, I will link this project so that you can try to open this project, okay? And you can start designing. So this is all about our pipe part. Then we will try to put for the number. So in number, let me show you how many costumes we have. For example, we started with 1, then this is 2, 3, 4. This is also you can design 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So total we want 10 costumes here. Start with 1, 9, and then add this 0. Okay. Let's see the code of this one. Again, it's very simple. See, once you will start the clone, we need to go to the front layer. It will go to this position. So we have to be start with this one. Let me show you. If your digit variables is greater than length of your score, we need to hide. Else we will show the letter of digit of score. Okay. So that once you will get it. And then we will start when we will receive the green flag. We have to be hide. We will set our digit to 0. We need to repeat until 10 times so that we can change the digit by 1 and then we will try to create a clone. So this is we have for the numbers. Okay. Even once you will receive the game over, we will stop other script in our sprite. So we need to put this 3 part in the number. Let's see the Flappy, because as you can see we have a flap up, flap center, flap down. Again this one you will get from the Google. I told you you can just download it and try to upload as a sprite. Okay. So once you will receive the start game for the Flappy, you have to go to this position and this is nothing but your center position. Okay. Then we need to set the size. We have our variable vertical speed so that we will start with 0. In forever, if mouse is down or we will press the key, so we will try to start one sound. Okay. After that, it will set your vertical speed and what point in direction we want. Where we want to launch the Flappy, it's like 90 minus whatever vertical speed we have, we will multiply with 2. And then we will use or change by vertical speed. And then once you will receive your start game, we need to wait until if it will touch to the ground is again our sprite. And if it will touch to this pipe, okay, again we need to set the vertical speed to 0. We will start one sound. It will repeat for 5 times and then we will change our x by 0 minus speed and we can change the effect and then broadcast new game, because once you will receive the new game we will try to again start everything by scratch. Okay. Then once you will receive the green flag we need to broadcast okay your flap wings. We need to set the speed to 3, set the gravity to 1 and we will set the jump to 7. These are the variable numbers. Okay. Then once you will receive the Flappy wing, we need to go to this position. We want point in direction with this one which is like your right side. In forever, it will going to be wait for some second, and then we will try to broadcast new costume. And once you will receive the new game, because if you can see, we broadcasted that here, new game. And once you will receive the new game, we will set the score to 0. We will stop other script. We will use again the right side, because mostly your Flappy will move from here to here, which is your right side. Okay. Then it will going to be repeat 10 times. We have to be broadcast like flap the wing. In forever, as you can see, there is a two repeat. First, it will try to change your Y by 1. It will go to the upside, and then it will come to the downside. So this is the part of our Flappy. So till now we did three sprite. One is pipe, one is number, and one is Flappy. You can also try this project. After trying this project, what you can do, you can copy the project link. Okay, for example, this link. You can try to use a comment. Okay, you can comment. I will review your project and I will give you the suggestions. Okay. Then there is a start button. So what do we want for start? If I will click on start button, so we need to start the project. For example, this one, right? If I will click on start, I wanted to start it. So when the sprite is clicked, we need to broadcast. Okay, we have to be start the game. It will going to be repeat 10 times. We will change our ghost effect by 10, and we have to be hide. And once we will receive the green flag, we need to broadcast like new game. We will clear the graphic effect. We have to be show, set the size. And if it will touch to the mouse pointer, we will set the brightness. Else we will clear the graphics. That you can do for the start button. And then once you will receive the new game again, because we broadcasted that in the Flappy. So once you will receive the new game over here, you have to be show it, wait for some second, and then again change your host effect by -10. So this is again our start, but this is the fourth sprite that we have. Fifth one, we have a ground. Ground is like moving. Ground is moving from right to left. So we need to add the code for that. Okay. So again, it's very simple. See, once you will start the clone, you have to go to this position. For x-axis, it's like right and downside. So mostly it will start from here to here. It will, this direction we have to be follow. Okay. Then we need to repeat. If your x position is less than 0, we will change. We will create a clone. It will going to be repeat until if your x position is less than -236. And again, once you will receive the green flag, you have to be show, go to your X and Y position, create a clone, repeat until if your X position is less than -236, and then we have to be hide. So this part we want for the ground. Then we have a title. Title is like this, Flappy Bird. You can see. So what do we want here? Once you will receive the start game, we need to change because see, whenever we will run the project, we are getting this as a highlighted. Okay, we need to change this effect. And once you will receive the new game, you need to clear the graphic. Once you will receive the green flag, then show it and set the size as 100%. Okay, even we have this high score, as you can see. So for this sprite, what do we want here? When flag is clicked in forever, if your score is greater than high score, so that new score will be your high score. Okay. Again, we have a number, this number. So we want that number two times. So simple, you can just, once you will finish the code of this, you can duplicate it. So that entire code and entire costume you will get for this number. Because if you will see this number, we have again 10 costumes. Okay. Then we have thumbnail. So you can create a very good thumbnail for your project. Like here we have a Flappy Bird. Again, if you will search here Flappy Bird thumbnail, you will get it. You can download any thumbnail and try to use as in your project. Okay. Okay. So for that thumbnail, we will start the code. It's very simple. When flag is clicked, set your ghost effect. In forever, it will go to the front layer. Once flag is clicked, we need to set again ghost effect by 100. Then in the forever, we will just set the timer. If your timer is greater than your high score, so we will just start a sound. It will go to the front layer, and in your Y position, we will divide with 2. So this is the entire game. Okay. So you need to start with pipe. Once you will finish the pipe, go with number, and number you can duplicate 2 times. Then we want a flappy start button, ground, then title, high score, number. This one you will get from duplicate, and thumbnail of your project. You can try to put 3 backdrop. One is day, one is night, one is impossible. So in this way, you can do your entire Flappy Bird project. Okay. So please start this project. Okay. Once you will finish it, try to copy the link, share in the comment section so that I will see that. And if I want any changes, I will let you know through the comment section. Okay. So till that, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. And I started AI ML series as well, which is like artificial intelligence, machine learning. If you want that link, I will also mention that so that you can copy and just you can watch that video and you can start your artificial intelligence and machine learning also. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.